Hello Geometry, this is Mr. Johnson and welcome to Parallel Lines Algebra. What we're going to do today is discover what we can find out about the slopes of parallel lines and then how to find the equation of a line parallel to a given line. Now if we look at these two graphs, we recognize that these lines are parallel and that's given to us, so I could even go ahead and mark those both as parallel. First it says to find the slope of the line with the y-intercept of 3, which would be this blue line here. So if I go ahead to find the slope of this line, I'll have to find 2 points on that line. I got one here, and it looks like one down here. So if I go ahead and count my slope, it looks like I go up 3 and over 4, so that would give me a slope of 3 over 4. Now the slope of this line parallel, in red, it looks like there's a point down here at 0, negative 4, and another point right here at 4, negative 1. So if I count that slope, it looks like I go up 3 and over 4 as well, or a slope of 3/4. So it seems to be what's true about these segments is they have the same slope at 3 over 4. And this is actually true for all parallel lines, or all sets of parallel lines. If any two lines are parallel, we know that they have the same slope. So perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes, and parallel lines have the exact same slope. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do one example, and you will do the other example on your own for your teacher for class tomorrow. It says to write the equation of the line parallel to y equals 4x plus 7 and through the point negative 2, 8. Well, if it's parallel to y equals 4x plus 7, we know that it has to have a slope of 4. So I know the equation of my line has got to be y equals 4x plus some y-intercept value. We'll call that b for now, and we're just not quite sure what that is. Well, the way we figure that out is basically like everything else we've done with algebra, is we use this point, negative 2, 8, that we know lies on the line, and substitute it in for y and x. So 8 equals 4 times negative 2 plus some b value. That gives me that 8 equals negative 8 plus some b value. If we add 8 to both sides, we get that b is 16. Therefore, the equation of my line parallel to y equals 4x plus 7, but having to pass through negative 2, 8, is y equals 4x plus 16. And that would be the answer. So in this part B here that you'll do, you're just going to find the slope, or the equation of the line parallel to y equals negative 3x plus 5 and through this point. Good luck. Thanks.